I have a great tip for you today if you're in the process of searching for a wedding photographer. So often I've heard clients bring maybe an Instagram photo or a website of someone to me and say, oh my gosh, I love this person's work, I want to hire them. And I might know some background information about that photographer and think, oh, that's not really a great choice. Sometimes they get a lucky shot, especially if they have outdoor photos. Photographers, you know all about that. It's so much easier to get a great shot on an overcast day. But what you really want is a skilled photographer. So some things that you want to do is not just look at their Instagram feed, because of course they're going to put out the best photos there. Not just look on their website, because of course they're going to put out their best photos there. But ask the photographer if you could see a couple files of a full wedding that they've shot and delivered to someone. Now you're going to see how they pose the family members, and did they get great shots of things that are really important to you. A lot of times we have a shot list of things that are really important, but we never even look at those shots. We see this amazing photo of the bride captured through the trees that were just starting to bloom, and everyone knows that that's an unpredictable shot. You can't schedule that. We can't schedule when the flowers are going to blossom on the trees. That's a lucky shot for most photographers. So you don't want to base everything on that one shot. You really want to see the full scope of everything that they can deliver to you. And can they take photos inside, and they know the difference of outside photography versus inside evening lighting. All of those things are really important. So again, ask if you can see a couple of full shots that they've delivered to a client. They should be more than happy to do it if they're a professional photographer. Happy planning, everyone.